Hi everybody! So are you guys excited? I don't know about you guys, but I am ecstatic because I got my date order from Jonas Sunshine again. This is the second time I've ordered from him, and he is, my goodness, he's on the ball, you guys. He ships fast and he sells Black Sphinx dates, which are absolutely phenomenally amazing. My favorite type of date out of all the ones that I've tried so far is Barhies, but Black Sphinx is fighting for number one right now. It's fighting for the Barhies to take number one on my favorites list for dates almost because it's so delicious. It's a really good date. And I know Jonas, he actually forages dates in Phoenix, Arizona. So this is the package. The package came in. I ordered 5 pounds, and he also has medjool dates, and there's a couple other different varieties that I still cannot pronounce the name of them, but there's other varieties that he gets also, and then he also throws in some jujubes in there too. So I mean, it's well worth the price too. It's not horribly expensive like some of these date sellers, you know. And the fact that you can order good quality, super soft, amazing dates year round, even when dates are not in season, that's a heck of a good deal if you ask Miss Stace. So you guys, I will put Jonas his information in the description of this video for you guys. He has a YouTube channel. It's Black Sphinx, and then is what you do is I'll put his email in there too, so you can contact him and get the prices and make an order if you want. And he is on the ball, you guys. I highly recommend Jonas for dates, most definitely. The fact that they're coming from Arizona and I'm in Alaska, that is another thing that I am just so happy and ecstatic about. That, like, you know what, you guys, if I can do this in Alaska, for heaven's sakes, you guys most certainly can do it wherever you're at in the world too. I know you guys can. Okay, now Jonas also said that he has his own jujube and carob powder mix and stuff, so he put some of that in here. So let's go ahead and check this on out. Okay, this looks like it's Jonas's carob, his carob jujube powder mix, and whoopsie whoops, it looks like one of the bags, or actually both bags, kind of emptied itself in the box there, Jonas, and that is quite okay, because I understand the frustrations of shipping items, especially up here in Alaska, because you know what, I often wonder what the heck happens to packages when it makes its travels to us, you know, when we make an order online. And because sometimes, you know, all boxes kind of come in a square box, but by the time it gets to you, it's in a circle and there's holes all over the darn place, and it's like, what happened here? I would love to put a little camera on these boxes and just see what happens on its travels to me. You know, there's some packages that just, I'm like, that would be so interesting to do. And with today's technology, you never know. That's highly possible. Oh my gosh, here we go, guys. They are soft. I can just feel it. Jonas, I'm excited. Oh my goodness, I am so darn ecstatic. You guys don't know how excited I am inside right now. Oh, because this is the way we were meant to eat dates. So freaking soft that it's unreal. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. So, this is unreal how you forage these, Jonas. Oh, look at this, so soft that it, oh, that's the way we were, like, I'm barely pressing on these and they're falling apart. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. If any of you have never had fresh dates before, it's a game changer for your date experience, okay? Like, the dates you get at the store are these hard, crinkled up stuff. Forget this. You want this, the fresh stuff, where it's so ooey gooey soft. I'm barely pulling on this and it just falls apart, and you can pull the top and the seed pops right out. The dates are so freaking soft. Oh, I love them in this stage. Holy cow. And look, they're still on the stem too. So cool. Now that's really cool for an Alaskan here, guys. I mean, I have never seen actual dates on a date palm tree. So having this is like, this is really cool, especially when they still have the stems on them. But I'm trying to get these beauties, these babies, these soft ones in a container here. Alrighty guys, so I got all my dates in a tub here, and I ended up eating 30 dates. You know what? When it comes to Jonas's dates and soft, good quality dates like this, there's no stopping Miss Stace. There's no stopping me because they're so soft. They are so irresistible, you know. And usually when I with dates this size, I can usually get 30 in is usually a meal for me for soft, super soft dates, and it's so satisfying, so good, so delicious, and I am good. I feel good. And a humongous thank you to Jonas. If you watch this video, I can't thank you enough, because being in Alaska and having quality like this, it really impresses me. It really does, and it makes an impact with me. So I thank you so much for shipping really quick and corresponding with me quickly too, and being so respectful and nice and everything. It's much, much appreciated, and I'm happy to help share your dates with the world too, because they are missing out. Just between you and me, Jonas, they are missing out. So I will stop babbling here, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to love being raw. Put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you guys. And I'll see you guys next video, okay? Bye, guys.